If I encountered Blacatz by God's grace, I'd give him loyal counsel, sincere. Yet without counsel would he hold it dear, before he from this world should take his race, and pass, for time now gone leaves not a trace. At utmost need that time will bring no light. I fear in hell they'll groom him without fail, unless to Jesus Christ he turns for bail. For this world's pride and praise that seem so bright are in the next world's sorrow and deep night. The wise man more than fool should bear disgrace, when he doth fail, and more if he not hear the counsel that his wisdom should endear. The fool's own folly doth this fault deface, but wisdom self-accuses when misplaced. Who knows the good and bad, yet chooses night? God wills that he receive it without fail, and if he keep the bad, God gives no bail. Sir Blacatz is so near the end of light, that fear alone should now his heart make right. He who cries, Lord God, help me in this place, and Holy Mary, hear my cry of fear, then thinks on theft and robs with conscience clear, is of his sense disherited, debased. If still he sins, then asks God's help disgraced, since he thinks ill does ill, and ill his plight. How thinks he then that God will be his bail? If God would keep the robbers without fail, and if God wills the robbers for his right, then hell will have you, friars minor.